This is a song I wrote called For My Dog, and sometimes it makes me cry. I can't believe it's been 4 years and you just turned 28. I still remember that first night when you kept me wide awake. It still feels just like yesterday when you chewed up the walls. I see that corner in my house and I'm not mad at all. Where is the time gone? And how did we get here? You changed my perspective when I'm thinking in dog years. You think about life and how to live, how to love without condition. I think about all it is I'm carrying, the death of my religion. I'm overthinking, wow, you got it figured out. You're living right where you're at. How I wish that I could do that. How I wish that I could do that.